In this video, we will look at work files and marked lists, which are both saved lists of documents in Derwent Innovation. They can be accessed from the Saved Work area in the upper navigation bar. Both marked lists and work files contain lists of documents. The marked list is meant to be used as a temporary holding area for documents, where you can build up a list of results from several searches, before permanently saving them to a work file, which can be given a name. You can save as many work files as you like, but there is only one marked list. So, let's run a search to find some pens. From the result set, we can save the documents of interest to a work file or marked list. Let's start with the marked list. You can add documents to the marked list in two ways. The first is easiest for adding a large number of results all at once. To save all the records, just click on the Save Records button at the bottom of the screen. To add them to the marked list, choose Existing Work File, and then choose Marked List from the list shown. The second method is easier for adding documents one by one from the results set. To use this method, you first need to ensure you have the Mark column included in the fields displayed on your results page. So, click on the Manage Columns button, and look for the Mark option in the left-hand column. If it's not checked, go ahead and check it. You may also want to move the Mark column up to the top of the list of selected fields, so it's at easy access in the left-hand column. The Mark column is another handy feature. It's a visual indicator of a particular document's presence on the marked list. To add documents to or remove documents from the marked list, simply click on that Mark icon. To view the marked list in its entirety, scroll up to the top of the page, and then access the marked list from the Saved Work menu. As you can see, the marked list looks just like a result set, with a few exceptions. You'll note that the words Marked List appear under the search results, and there's a Delete button at the bottom of the page. Now, let's say your project is complete, and you'd like to move all results from the marked list to a work file for more permanent retention. Simply use the Saved Records button again. This time, choose New Work File. When adding results to a new work file, you'll need to give it a name. Having created our work file, let's have a look at it. Back up to the Saved Work menu and choose Work Files. This takes us to a list of saved work files within the Saved Work area. As you can see, the work file we just created is listed there. To open it, select it from the list, and then click on the title below. As you can see, the work file also looks quite similar to a result set, but the name of the work file is obvious under the search results, and the Delete button is present again. To remove documents from a work file, simply use the Select checkbox and the Delete button to remove them.